smiling.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping the very best and welcome back to another boxing tutorial. In tonight's video I'm going to teach you the pull counter. As you've seen as my example with Conor McGregor, I believe this is one of the best techniques that you can use in order for you to land your shot, get out of danger, and we're using the pendulum style of boxing here in order for us to land this shot correctly. I've also made a video of this, so if you would like to take the chance to watch that video, you can go into the description and it's linked below. But I want to show you here a drill that's going to help you get into the right foot positioning. As you've seen there, if you're not in the right balance, you won't be able to land this punch correctly. So I've set up a couple of cones for you to drill and work your footwork. Small steps does it. Now you can see here with the boxing bag, I am using it as a person. I'm not just hitting the bag for the sake of hitting it. I'm pushing against the bag, mimicking what it's going to be like in a fight or in sparring. And this here is an excellent drill in order for you to get the right timing. As you can see, I push on the bag, I'm fading in and out of that void by using that pendulum style. And when the moment is right, I want to push in the bag and time as the person or bag is coming in for me to land my punch. Now I'm a right-handed fighter, but you can also use this as a left-handed fighter, just like Conor McGregor. Now like I says, this is going to be the pendulum style, so you are going to need to have the conditioning and footwork in order for you to be able to land this punch correctly. This here pendulum style of fighting is going to get you into the best position for you to use this pull counter, I believe. Now here is a couple of drills that you can use and utilize in order for you to get the conditioning, to get the timing, to get the footwork for this shot to be the best it can be. Now I use Conor McGregor as my example. I know he's been up to some crazy stuff in previous years, but I wanted to use him as the example because I still believe, regardless of everything he's been up to, this is one of the best examples of the pull counter in MMA history, and in my opinion it's a very good example even for boxing. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.